I was impressed with the audience. I did not expect the crowd to be so big,
Yes.
and each session was almost completely full.
Okay.
So I'm really impressed with the attendance as well as the way it was organized. So I'm happy.
Okay. And quick insight about how AI and machine learning you think can be, implemented for customer experience.
In a big way. I teach AI and machine learning at Indian Institute of Science.
Okay.
And I know for a fact that any data which comes up from the customer side can be analyzed to get a better insight. Do some web analytics, do some data analytics, machine learning, all these concepts can be used
Yes, sir.
to come up with insights on the customer behavior.
Okay.